Hey guys, Darren Tessitore here with Thrive Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how to post an update to your Google Business profile. First thing you want to do is get into your Google Business profile, and you do that by going to business.google.com. And once you're in there, you'll be able to select your business. And when you're in your business, this is where you start seeing all the different options in here on how to do updates, how to edit your profile, how to add products and services and booking links and so forth. So for today, we're going to show you how to do the post, or the update it's called, on your web browser. So when you come into your web browser and you're in your Google profile, you're going to see this little post button here. Click on that. That's going to take you into the pop-up that shows you how to actually create a post. And from here, you just hit this Add New Post button, and it's going to ask you if you want to do an update, an offer, or an event. The difference between the three is one is just going to be like posting on Facebook or Instagram. Type your caption, add your video or your image. You can do a 30-second video or a still image. Same thing with your offer. You can do a video and image. However, you can have it start and end at a specific time. So if you're doing a coupon or a discount, you can add that in here. And if you're having a special event, same thing. Now, one thing to remember that's the same about all three of these different types is the fact that you can add a button, and you can direct people to your website. You can have them book, you can have them order online, you can have them buy, sign up, call, whatever you want to do, add your phone number. Same thing with the offers, you can also do that as well. And in actually the offers, you can't add a button because it's going to end at a certain time, but in your event you can. You can say, like, book or sign up and then add your special link. Anyway, hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on your iPhone. Stick around for the next couple minutes and I'll show you how to do that. Super simple.
Here we are in our iPhone. You want to go into the Google Map app, and they added in now under the Business tab. You can then pull up all of your local businesses that you're connected to in here. It'll give you a complete list of them. Once you select the one that you want, you'll see this top row, and then you'll see more. And right up here, you can hit Add Update. And it's the same as your phone. You can actually do an update with a photo and a video, and it will put it right on your phone for you. And then once you add it, you can type your post, add your button if you want, and then boom, you're good to go. I recommend doing this as much as you want. You can also add an offer. This is a one-time offer. So let's say you're trying to do a promotion, 20% off, however you want to do it, you can come in here and add the offer. Okay, guys, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.